Hi everybody, this is 172, Jacob is the captain. He's flying leg, being as a first officer. I got about 40 miles to Shark Bay, and we're just going all the way to Broome. See if we can make it. Yeah, everything is going smooth so far. Weather's looking good, so we're just hoping that we can actually make it today.
Thanks brother, we'll make it.
Hoping. Foxtrot uniform, the Phenom airborne out of 4,000 unverified, just about to commence the left turn over the top.
Okay, Foxtrot uniform, cheers.
Yeah, that's almost in the Shark Bay, so it's quite nice of you. Flying just over the water, it's a bit of 40 miles over the water, so we've got a life jacket. That propeller is still spinning, so... Okay, catch up.
Qantas 1351, contact centre 127, decimal 3.
1273, Qantas 1351, go.
Hello.
There's more of the flying, we've got about 10 miles to the shark. We just, yeah, a nice hobby. Must be a lot of fish. See any sharks?
Just hiding in there.
Then Jacob is fiddling something on the geospazm. I think we're all lost now.
Don't know what I'm doing here.
I think we're all lost. Here comes the Shark Bay. Very nice.
Oh, doesn't that look pretty?
Yeah. It's not a pretty sport. More of the Shark Bay. Quite nice.
X-ray Foxtrot uniform, landed, Mika Sarah, cancel silence.
X-ray Foxtrot uniform, Mika Sarah, just terminated.
Foxtrot uniform.
There's a Shark Bay down there.
Yeah, that's what they were this morning. Yep, 6565 on 8822.
Thanks, sir.
Look, 602, thanks. Contact Melbourne now, 122, decimal 4.
122.4.
Hey, everybody, a bit of an update. Jacob's still in control. So the plan, we're just trucking to Carnarvon. We're about 15 minutes to Carnarvon, but just trucking over the bay, and yeah, we've got a good distance. Say that's probably about 20 miles back to the...
Yeah, no, I reckon it'd be about 30 miles there.
30 miles, yeah, luckily we've got some life jackets, but hope we're not going to need them. Everybody, a bit of an update, we just crossed that towards to Carnarvon, and we're about 11 miles, and we're just our descent to the Carnarvon. We're using runway 18, it's pretty dry, there's a bit of a nice sort of tide going out, you can see how much it is, yeah, it's a bit of a on current and see. Looking at the land, red land too, getting a bit more ready, shall we?
All traffic west of Walloona, X-ray Foxtrot Papa, dash 8 IFR 3, 2 miles west of Walloona, on descent through flight level 126.
Alright, just a bit of an update. I'm in command, Jacob's by info, we're left Horn and tracking direct to Parata, and it's going to take us roughly about 2 hours. We'll be on the way probably for a good 20 minutes. We're cruising at 5,500. There's not much to see around. It's pretty hot actually in here because it's 20 degrees and almost 6,000 feet. So yeah, just enjoy the view.
Yeah, Product 602 from Shark Bay. We're tracking Shark Bay to Geraldton hospital status. Departure time 0525. Flight level 230 with 1 hour and 5 minutes. And we've got the next leg when you're ready.
Roger that, with that.
Oh, we just departed at Karata.
906, taxi to your base.
906.
Much to see in here. Later. About 50 miles to Port Hedland, where we're going to land. On to Broome. Hello everybody, we've got about to Broome, just about 170 miles to go. We're just cruising at 7,500.
And the haze only gets thicker as we get off.
There's a bit of a cloud in front of us, but there's not like something what we had yesterday. Bit of an update in here. I think we're about 100 to 120 miles to Broome, and so probably somewhere in the midway between the Port Hedland and Broome, and there's a couple of nice airstrips. Look. One is just need an excavator and make the oven strip. Some red line everywhere. No haze. Cruising at 7,500. Few clouds just right in front of us. Update, we've got about 70 miles to Broome, and we're cruising at 7,500, 70 miles to Broome with the water, just to sort of steer around the huge cumulus again.
Star 43, Brisbane Centre. Total Mike November identified, verify level.
9,000, Delta Mike November.
Well, there's quite a few airstrips built up out of nothing. It's cloud, and that's just 11:30 local time, and already on the ground of Broome, 34 degrees. Bit of update, we've got about 30 miles to Broome. I just have to go down slightly left side of the truck to ditch the cloud. I should be shortly after that just descend to the column in. It's Class D airspace, so the clearance.
Juliet Oscar Victor, Lombardina, Firewatch terminated.
Juliet Oscar Victor.
right there.
Yeah.
Car 12 and company cancel the restriction to remain east of Yankee.
Copy the cancellation, car 12 and company.
We're just coming up into the Broome. You can already see the chip and runway up there. Just want us to join. No.
Ground Zulu uniform whiskey, taxi details.
We're just lining up with the runway.
Broome ground.
Zulu uniform whiskey, POB is 1-2. Received echo at the hotspot IFR to the Lombardina, request taxi.
Uniform whiskey, taxi holding point, Charlie, runway 28.
Taxi holding point Charlie, runway 28, Zulu uniform whiskey. Broome Tower, Shell Zulu Echo, Cessna 172, establish on an 8 mile final.
Delta Zulu Echo, continue approach, report that on a 3 mile final.
Continue approach, report 3 miles, Delta Zulu Echo.
Broome Tower, Sir Romeo Yankee, 5,500 feet at 12 miles. Broome Tower, good day, top band 332 with you, 49 DME inbound on the 074. Bearing through flight level 148 on descent, we estimate the Broome NDB at time 35, cleared to 6,000. Received echo and request 5 miles left to track you with them.
Top end 332, diversions up to 5 miles left of track approved, standby.
Clear 5 left, top band 332. Broome Tower, Sir Romeo Yankee, did you get my 5,500 feet call at 12 miles?
Sir Yankee, Christian Sierra, Romeo Yankee, A firm. Sorry for that, you are clear, Broome class Delta airspace, frequency change is approved, see you.
Frequency change approved, see you, thank you.